Your hair is a little in the way, but oh yeah.
Oh, look at this. He's liking this. Oh yeah. Ooh.
I got
Look
a
at
close up
him.
of him.
What?
I should take a picture now. Can I take a picture of him?
No, you have to stop recording.
How do you stop recording?
Push the button again.
Oh, come on. Can you come in?
And tell them no, because I'm babysitting.
I don't know why he does this.
Look at that cutie. They don't know. His bike's out front though.
Hey, Rolo. Why don't you spread him out the light? Just tell him he's not right.
Okay. Hello everyone, this is my friend Jocelyn with her pretty gorgeous hair and her pretty face. And that's her playing with my puppy. Hey! So we're gonna videotape Kratos jumping over her legs because they're really happy. So we're gonna set the camera down.
Yes, yes. I got his dribble.
Aye! And he attacks the camera.
How do you say his name again?
Kratos.
Kratos! What's up, Daddy? He's just filling.
Kratos! Come! 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 He's like, what the? Oh. Those are my headphones. You ready? You want me to do it again? Want me to do it again so we jump from this side now? Yeah. Sorry. Are you okay?
I'm good.
Now I want you to toss it because I'm going to videotape. What? You just videotape me trying to get it from him. Ah! Are you ready? Videotape him jumping over your legs. Go! What do you think you're doing? Come. Ready? Go! Take it easy.
That was sort of funny.
Sort of.
That was a lot funny.
Go. I'm so sorry. I just hit Jocelyn.
Take her! Bite her! Do nothing to her! Don't just sit there!
I'm sorry. I just threw the ball. I just threw the ball. Did I go onto the couch?
You better go get that now. Ow! That kind of hurt, Taylor.
I'm sorry.
You're a horrible individual. I hope you know that.
Thanks. You make me feel really loved.
Okay, good. Try not to throw that at my head now.
Release. Good boy. Here, let's go find the ball. Come.
That hit my head.
Oh my God. It bounced off. Hey, no. Arr. Let's try this. Come. Are you ready? Ready? Go. Where'd it go? Come. Good boy, kid. Release. Release. Go.
Oh, you didn't hit me in the head this time.
Come. Oh, good boy. Come. What is this? No, you know you're not allowed back there. Come. See the ball? Go.
Oh, you got the Skittles.
Ow, you just took me. Oh, he's like, I'll go run away. Are you okay? What
I
happened?
grabbed his neck and he jumped and I felt like I was about to choke him. I was like, oh.
Aw. I'm gonna stop recording now.
Yeah, that would be good.
How do I stop it? How do I stop? Oh, wait. This is Kratos trying to have a love affair with Jocelyn.
You're very pretty too yourself. Okay, wait for the
He's like, I don't want to know.
violation. It's a violation. Oh, it's a violation. Oh, the puppy. I got belly. Look at the belly. Oh, I got saliva all over my face now.
Oh, look.